Let's have another example. A woman weighs herself inside an elevator. While the elevator is at rest, she measures a weight of 490 with three significant figures, newtons. What weight does the scale read if the elevator accelerates upward at 2.00 meters per second squared? What weight does the scale read if the elevator accelerates downward at 2.00 meters per second squared? And see if the cable breaks, what does the scale read? So again, the very first step is to draw our free body diagram. So let us identify all the forces acting on our object on the scale. So we have the weight, of course. We have the weight exerted by the weight of the weight of the lady, for example. Yan, weight. Of course, we have a normal force because there is a surface. So we have a normal force exerted by the scale. So actually, yung measurement na ibibigay ni scale is actually the normal force. So when the elevator is at rest, of course, Fn is equal to the weight. So kung ano yung ibibigay ni normal force, that is your weight if it is at rest. Okay. Now, what if daw it is moving upwards at an acceleration of 2.00 meters per second squared? It is accelerating downwards at 2.00 meters per second squared. And if the cable breaks, so it is in free fall, undergoing free fall because the cable breaks. So let us identify what are the given variables or what are the given values in our equation. Una, we have the weight of the lady, which is 490 Newton. Now, if that is 490 Newton, we will identify, of course, the mass para mas madali na lang. So the mass is, you just divide that by 9.81, and that will give you 49.9. Lagyan natin ng extra. So isang extra, okay lang? Isang extra lang. Pwede rin dalawa. It's up to you as long as you follow the rules of significant figures. So we know that the number of significant figures is hanggang 9 lang. Kilograms. Ano pa yung given? For letter A, ang given natin for letter A, we have an acceleration upwards. Arrow up. Acceleration upwards, which is positive because that is upward. So it is positive 2.00 meters per second squared. Now for letter B, we have acceleration downwards. And since that is downward, so lagyan natin ng negative 2.00 meters per second squared. And then for letter C, we have the cable breaks. So that means our acceleration is just the acceleration due to gravity because it is undergoing free fall. And the acceleration due to gravity is negative 9.81 meters per second squared. Bakit free fall, sir? Of course, na-break na yung cable, so it will fall. The acceleration is negative 9.81 meters per second squared. Bakit negative, sir? Because it is going downwards. Tama? Okay. So let us identify what are the required variables. Ano-ano ba yung required natin dito? For letter A, ang hinahanap natin is what weight does the scale read? The reading of the scale. So that is the normal force. As I've told you, yung binibigay na weight or binibigay na value ng scale natin is actually the normal force. So the normal force when it is going upwards. So let's get it up. And then for letter B, it is the normal force when it is going downwards. So DW na lang. And then we have the normal force when it is undergoing free fall. Free fall. Ayan. Kompleto na ba lahat? Okay. Of course, the acceleration is either up or down. So since our motion is along the vertical. Tama? Up or down lang man yung motion natin. Wala tayong motion to the left or to the right. So we are going to use summation of forces along the y, which should be equal to mass times acceleration along the y, because it is along the y component. Tingnan mo yung motion natin. The acceleration is upwards or downwards. So use summation of forces along the y. What are the forces along the y? Tingnan mo yung free body diagram mo. What are the forces along the y? We have Fn, which should be positive because it is upwards. We have the weight. We have the weight, which is downwards because it is directed downwards. It should be negative. So negative weight is equal to mass times AY. So since we need Fn, yun yung required natin, Fn. So that means Fn is just equal to the weight plus MAY. So this is now the equation for our Fn. Remember, ang hinahanap natin is Fn. So we will solve for letter A. Anong kulay? Dapat blue unta ni dapat no ang mga equations. Sige na lang eh. For letter A, Fn ang hinahanap natin. So substitute. The weight is, ano ba yung weight natin? 490 with 3 significant figures Newton plus, what is the mass? The mass is 49.95, 3 significant figures kilograms times the acceleration. What is the acceleration? Sa letter A, acceleration sa letter A is positive 2.00 meters per second squared. And that will give us Fn is equal to 490 Newton plus pila man eh? 99.9. 99.9. I-add lang. 500. Fn is equal to 589.9 Newton. Or since we need only until the ones place, so that means our final answer should be Fn is equal to 590 Newton. Ayan. Now, let's have letter B. For letter B, same lang gihapon, Fn ang hinahanap natin. So it is just weight plus MAY. So the weight is 490, the same. 490 Newton with 3 significant figures plus the mass, which is 49.95 kilograms times the acceleration for letter B. Ano yung acceleration for letter B? Is negative because it is downwards. Negative 2.00 meters per second squared. And that will give us, anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Ayan. It will give us what? 390.9. Klaro kayo eh. Ay. 49.95 times minus 4. It is 390.1 Newton. Or hanggang ano lang tayo? Hanggang ones place. So that means our final answer should be 390. Significant ang 0. Newton. Ayan. So what have you noticed? Significant pala ang 0 dito. What have you noticed? Kapag pataas yung elevator, if the elevator accelerates upwards, bibigat ka. Bibigat yung reading sa scale. Kapag it accelerates downwards, mas magaan. Ay, try pagtimbang sa elevator. Basta musaka ang elevator, mubugat ka. Kung mubaba ang elevator, mugaan ka. That is because of the acceleration. of the elevator. Now, let's proceed with letter C. What if though the cable breaks? So Fn is equal to the weight plus MAY. So the weight is 490 Newton plus our mass. What is the mass of our object? 49.95 kilograms. The acceleration now is negative 9.81 because the cable breaks. It is undergoing a free fall motion. And that will give us pila. That will give us 0.0095 Newton. Or of course, hanggang dito lang tayo. So our final answer is 0 Newton. Or you are weightless. You will experience weightlessness when the cable breaks. Kapag nasa elevator ka, wag naman sana. Lain po kayo, no? Okay, that's it. That's second law of motion. So basically, when the elevator accelerates upwards, bibigat ka. When the elevator accelerates downward, gagaan ka. But when the cable of that elevator breaks, then you will feel weightlessness. Okay, that's it.